hope you guys are having a good day. Today we have something very special going on in the car. It's finally getting, as the title probably says, the meats. Put those on the front, put those in the rear. Alright you guys, so yeah, we ended up putting those are actually my rears right here. So these are Continental Extreme.
Alright guys, the wind was so bad and you guys can see it's raining. I don't know why I decided to choose to do it in the middle of like a parking lot that was raining. But basically what I was trying to say to you guys was I actually took the rear wheels that I had on before, put them in the front, and then now we put the Mickey Thompsons in the rear. So basically I have really nice grippy tires that are like street tires in the front now, and now I have the Mickey Thompsons in the rear. And I was like saying how the fitment was really nice and it wasn't flush, but it was really nice. I was trying to explain to you guys that it was a 275 40 17. I wiped the lens right there because it was so watery. Yeah, and then the fronts are 235 40 17s, I believe. And I really like the setup. I like 17s, and this is really good because these are 17 by 8s. So I believe when I do a 17 by 9, it's gonna just poke out a little bit more and be basically flush, and I can still run the same tires. And then I said, oh, I think I'm gonna rock these same tire size in the front. With the new wheels I'm gonna get eventually. So yeah, that's basically it, guys.
Alright, I think something blew up, but it's like probably not that crazy. It's probably one of the boosts, something. Oh, here it is. What the fuck? There you go. I don't think we've tightened this shit down. That's hella funny. So Clarence is actually off camera. Hella sound. Off camera we did put the O-ring on this, so it's making a lot more boost. It's making 2-3 more pounds. And yeah, we forgot to tighten this down, so this popped off and then wasn't making boost. Scared the shit out of me though. Get her back on and get on the road. All right, so looks like I got it back on. Hopefully it stayed tight. It looks like it's tight right now, so try it again. All right, let's try this again. I think we have a boost, how do you cut it? We have a throttle body closure or boost cut on purpose. I think we coded that in at 14 psi, pretty sure. And gate is supposed to be 15, so wouldn't be surprised if we got some throttle closure here. Put this on.
Alright, so for whatever reason the sound didn't come through, so here's me doing a 0 to 60. Yeah, it's really slow because the single turbo was really hard to get going. This one you're looking at right now, it's going to be the 60 to 130 attempt. This was the only one that I really did, and it came out okay actually, surprisingly, for being the boost that we were running on this one. Surprisingly did well.
Try a third gear hit just to get some data log in here and see if it's doing all right. So it hooked really nice. The Mickey Thompsons are actually really good. I did like a 20, basically a 20 pull from a 20 roll. And in first gear, and that it hooked. I mean, I do have very low boost right now. It's like less than Wastegate, so it is pretty slow. Obviously, we can clean up some fuel. Basically, as you guys know, I'm waiting to get fully tuned by Dog Boo. Basically, just waiting on my port injection and stuff like that. What's up, guys? So right now I'm actually in the process of putting this wheel on that car. It's a 225 some random tires, not that great. Got this side on already. You guys can see there, Mickey's and all this other stuff right here. Because today we're gonna get nasty. We're gonna try, because you guys can see it's raining. So we're gonna try to get this car to spin, and we probably can. I'm actually not a very good driver, so Clarence is gonna try to teach me how to do all this stuff. So we're gonna put these on and we're gonna go and try to see if we can find a spot to get gnarly in Mexico. Oh, he's probably do this. All right, come on. All right, ready? First try. Never done this shit before. Kind of scared. It's shifting in a second again.
How high is your thing? You said to.
Oh, 69. So I'm just going too high still.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, it scared the shit out of me.